Hello, sweet team. Welcome back once again to a fierce kitchen where friends and family cook. If today is your first time joining us and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to join the team. It's free. And one of my friends will say, "Why won't you subscribe? Are we quarreling?" Not at all. And also remember to hit the bell so that anytime I upload a video, you would be notified so you can watch. Today I'm sharing with you the simple and fast noodle stir fry recipe you are going to love. Let's get right into it. We are going to set our water boiling, season with some salt, and then add in your noodles. Cook until it is well done. I'm not using any of the spices from the noodles because I prefer to use my own spices, but you can go ahead and use the spices that comes with the noodle pack. Drain the water from the noodles and set it aside. In a separate pot, add in some oil and then add in your chicken, season with some onion powder, fresh ginger, garlic, chicken stock cube, and then add in a little bit of curry for some color. Cook this on high heat until it is done. Set it aside. In the same pot, add in some oil. Season your shrimps with some salt. Add it in. Season with some garlic and some ginger. Do not skip this process because it takes the food to a whole different level. When it's nicely cooked, set it aside. In the same pot, add in some oil and then stir fry your onions for about 3 minutes. and add in your nicely cut mixed bell peppers and then stir fry for about 3 minutes. Season with some salt. You wouldn't want to overcook your veggies. It is now time to add in my shrimps and then my chicken. Stir very well and then add in your noodles. Mix it up very well until it's nicely incorporated. To this, I'll add a tablespoon of my hot pepper sauce I have in the fridge for a little bit of heat. This is just a mixture of onions, garlic, and then the red habanero pepper. Mix it up very well, and then our noodles are ready to be enjoyed. Thank you so much for your time with us. We really appreciate you and appreciate your support. Until I come your way again in the next video, keep safe and don't forget to keep your little light shining. Bye.
Fierce Kitchen. Daredevil.
So tasty.